Hello everybody, in this video we'll be comparing TurboTax, H&R Block, as well as FreeTaxUsa. So let's start with the big name, TurboTax, because TurboTax is polished, it's clean, intuitive, and honestly it just kind of feels like texting your taxes to do a refund or a friend. It walks you through everything, explains terms in plain English, and it even lets you import W-2s automatically. And it's the smoothest ride, especially if you have slightly complicated stuff, especially if you have like freelance income, crypto, small business stuff. But you're paying for that ease. TurboTax starts free, but it upsells hard. So want to file with itemized deductions? That's a charge. Got self-employment income? That's another tier. And you could start thinking free and end up spending 70 to 150 bucks really quick. But yeah, super polished, but you'll definitely feel the upcharges. And next, let's talk about H&R Block. So this is a solid middle ground, in my opinion. The interface is good, not as quite as slick as TurboTax, but still user-friendly. It guides you through your return without being overwhelming, and it's a little bit more generous on the pricing. You get more access to real human help, and H&R Block even has physical location. So if you want to hand things off to a tax pro mid-access or mid-process, you can do that. That's something TurboTax doesn't really match unless you go with their full service version. But their free tier, H&R Block, covers more situations than TurboTax's, and the pay tiers are usually cheaper across the board. So if you want a balance between support, simplicity, and cost, H&R Block would be my pick. But yeah, let's talk about FreeTaxUsa next. So FreeTaxUsa, this is the underdog. It doesn't look fancy, I know. The interface feels a little bit basic, but here's the kicker. Federal filing is actually free for most situations, even with itemized deductions, self-employment, capital gains. It's all included in the free federal tier. The only cost though is state filing, which is around 15 bucks, and that's it. No upsells, no fake free tiers, just a very affordable no frills option. So there's less guidance, sure, but you won't get that hand holding like TurboTax gives, and you're confident doing your own taxes and just want a budget option that actually works. FreeTaxUsa is unbeatable for the price. So yeah, let's talk about what we went over. TurboTax is if you want the smoothest interface and don't mind paying for it. H&R Block is if you want good value, human help, and a fair balance of cost and support. And FreeTaxUsa is if you want to save money and don't need all the bells and whistles, literally in the name, free tax. Anyway, you can't really go wrong. Just pick what fits your comfort level and your wallet. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you later.